Good afternoon, everyone at Hive. How are you? I find you are okay and you are safe as well at your home. I'm doing this video today because I wanted to share something about the current situation at Bangladesh. The things is really not good at the time. I'm capturing this video. People are dying. More and more people basically dying each day, and besides there are more people being infected uh, uh, from the coronavirus at the moment. The infected people, it crossed 50,000 a couple of days ago, and nearly 1,000 people already died till date. And the situation is really not good and is going to worse, I guess, if the situation is continue like this. The thing I don't like to go further about the virus situation is because we already know things, we already learned the stuff, and there are so many broadcasts every day, every moment, every minutes. And today I would like to tell you about the thing we are doing at the moment. Basically, people, I don't know. I got so many friends who lost their job already, and many of them got laid off, so they are at home doing nothing, just praying to God that the things go to okay, so that the things go to okay. As because more and more people related to garment industry at Bangladesh, and they are not in the good situation. Not even the garments, but also the other people who are doing job in several companies. The situation not gonna go to good soon. So whoever is all over the world, whoever you are doing, whatever you are doing your job, and if you can't go to your job, you can do several stuff like I'm doing at the moment. Basically, Hive is a good platform for all the people, and especially I wanted to tell to the community at Bangladesh, please, as you are at home, it not means that you can't do anything. You can just express whatever you got inside you, express your talent, write things. Don't just hang out in the Facebook and playing PUBG. Please leave those and just try to express yourself, learn things. Believe me, just a little new thing could make the difference each day. I'm trying to learning things each day as well, but I know it's not easy because it will not provide the direct solution or direct benefits to you like the financial one. But still, if you learn things each day, it will help you. I, believe me, it will help me, and it will help you sooner than you think. So please, 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 try to learn things. Don't waste your time at home. Just take it as another opportunity God given to you. Pray to your God and try to learn things, try to apply things, new things, so that people around the world could recognize you even more beautiful way. So this is not the end of the world. Just learn things, learn things, learn things, apply things, whatever you are learning, apply them. Who knows, anything could just go to right direction, and you would be happier than ever. So thank you so much. This is my message today for all the Bangladeshi communities and people all over the world. Please don't waste your time. Try to write things, try to learn things, whatever you are capable of, just try to express it. And if you think you are not capable to anything, don't be like that. You are more genius than you think. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.